Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is another unboxing. This video is actually an influencer unboxing. Y'all know that's what a lot of my unboxings be. So before I get started, Influenster is a website, an app, and you do surveys, and it's based on what you click on your surveys. It can be based on like your follower count, like it ranks you based on your follower count on other social medias, because you link your social medias to Influencer and you do different surveys, and every now and again you'll get picked for a VoxBox, which is what they call it. And y'all know I've had numerous VoxBoxes. I've done Dermalogica, I've done CoverGirl, I've done Maui Moisture, I've done OGX, I've done like a Nubu nut butter bite, something like that. I've had different like compilation VoxBoxes. So campus kickoff VoxBox, they had different like condiments and hygiene type of stuff in it. I've had like a squad goals VoxBox, which is what it was called, and it was Halloween and fall themed. They had a black highlighter, it had like vitamins and stuff in it. Like I've had a like very, what's the word, array of VoxBoxes, like different things. So it's not just one type, it's just based off whatever surveys you do and what you choose. And when you get the VoxBox, you do the task that is under it, and you get like a little badge for it, and it makes you more likely to get more VoxBoxes. If y'all are interested in Influencer, I know I just gave that whole spiel, go look it up. Especially if you're a small creator like me, it gives you extra content. It gives you free stuff to use, free stuff to unbox. It just kind of gives you more content, which I really enjoy. So what I'm showing you today was gifted to me free from Influencer, complimentary to review for them, myself, you guys, you know, whatever. So today's VoxBox is Maui Moisture, Maui Moisture VoxBox for all curls. This is the box right here. It's very heavy, and this is Influencer, and yeah. So I'm going to open it. And this is how it came, just like this. Slide the paper over, and here's this card, and then it's 3 products. So I am going to read, I'm gonna read off the box because it's like the same thing. Maui Moisture for all curls. Repair and rejuvenate your hair with the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate and Shea Butter collection. Deeply quench, nourish, and soften dry, damaged strands with these blends with creamy shea butter, rich coconut milk, and pure macadamia oil. This hydrating collection is suitable for all types of hair and is safe to use on color treated hair. Maui Moisture products are vegan and do not contain silicone, sulfates, parabens, or synthetic dyes. Instead of using deionized, chemically treated water, we use aloe as the first ingredient, which is true. Like that's been the biggest thing with Maui Moisture for years, is that their first ingredient was aloe. But yeah, I'm gonna take the card out, and like I just said, it's these 3 products, and I'm going to unbox them from here to there. So the first product is this Maui Moisture Hair Care Heal and Hydrate and Shea Butter Shampoo for dry, damaged curls. And again, like I mentioned, they contain no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens, and no synthetic dyes. That's how it looks. I have this shampoo, so I think I'm going to re-gift this for Christmas, y'all. Like, I think that's what I'm gonna do, because I already had this, the shampoo and conditioner. So this is the conditioner. This is the, yeah, conditioner. That's it. And what I won't be re-gifting is this frizz-free shea butter elongating gel. So that's that. I plan on using this for a wash and go. I was actually supposed to, like, I had it planned out, but I procrastinated last week that I was going to do this wash and go last week and have all these videos done with, but I procrastinated. So this is what I will be using on my next wash day for my wash and go. And they didn't send me like a leave-in conditioner, and I read, and it said that it's for best results used in conjunction with other Maui Moisture hair products. I mean, the shampoo and conditioner, they didn't send me like a leave-in conditioner or anything, so hopefully this is sufficient alone for a wash and go. It's an elongating gel, so I hope it is. I'm actually going to be pairing this with my Dominican curly hair tea. I believe it's the calendula hair tea. I believe it's the calendula hair tea, just to give it a base. Y'all will see that in my next video after this one. I know I did a whole lot of talking, but that is it for this unboxing. So if you all are interested, like I said, in Influenster, check them out. Like I said earlier, I definitely recommend them for small creators, because it's no like limits or no minimum number of followers you have to do this. Like, you can have 0 followers, but if you review stuff on Sephora, you can get VoxBoxes. So definitely recommend it for small creators if you're watching this and you're a small creator like me, especially if you're like a beauty creator. But yeah, that's it for this video. Be sure to like this video, comment down below anything you want, share this video with a friend. Be sure to subscribe, because my next video is going to be a wash and go featuring the elongating gel from this line, and you don't want to miss that. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. And that's it for this video. Bye.